Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on this hair that I do all the time whenever I cannot be bothered to do my hair. Stay tuned if you want to see how I do it. So my hair is currently a mess. It's like day 4 hair, so it's a bit it's a bit nasty. So what I usually do when my hair is like this is I spray it with a bit of water just so it's easier to work with and so it looks sleek, but I don't have a bottle of water with me now, so what I'm going to do instead is put water on the hairbrush so that I can just brush it down a bit. So now that's all combed out, I usually like my parting on the sides, so I'm going to do that. I think the middle just looks a bit weird on me. I take one of these combs that are metal on the end instead of the plastic ones because I think these just give a more precise line. And then I begin to start combing the hair down in the motion that it will be in the bun. Now this is where I get some more water and I use a flat brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but I will link it in the description box. But this is just a really nice brush just to flatten out the hair if your hair is like mine. If your hair is dirty, which mine is, I would advise don't swoosh it onto your forehead unless you want blemishes, because your hair is dirty and you don't want to clog your pores. So the next product is the Eco Style Gel. Got a load of hair on it. And I like the argan oil one because I just feel like it works best on my hair. I've tried the clear one, but I just don't like that one. But this one is quite nice. So if you haven't tried this, please do. I've also heard the castor oil one is also very good. I like to apply it here especially because that's where I have flyaways. Then I begin to gather the hair at the bottom of my head. I feel like because my hair is like kind of dirty right now, it's greasy, which makes it look shiny as well. That sounds very disgusting, but genuinely feel like that helps. Now for the wrapping, I just wrap my hair. I think this bit I'm just gonna do wrap it, hold it, wrap it, and then I tuck the end bit under. And then I get the hairband, tighten it. And sometimes I don't mind if the hairs are sticking out of the side because I just think it looks nice, messy. For extra hold, I take a mousse just to make sure nothing is moving. Even though the gel is enough, I just like to take some extra product. This is the John Frieda Frizzies mousse. Usually I use the Shockwaves one, but I didn't bring that, so I'm just going to use this one. Concentrating where you have most flyaways, and I cut myself a fringe, so these hairs are like this long, so I need to make sure that they don't go anywhere. And obviously you can style this by adding baby hairs or I don't know, a little 2-piece hair at the front. So yeah, this is the finished hair. My go-to bun that I wear all the time, sometimes in the middle just to make it a bit different, but all in all this is what I usually do to my hair if I'm in a rush, I don't know, just want it out of my face or anything. Sometimes I like it a bit messy, but most of the time it's slick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was very highly requested and I hope it was also useful for all of you that requested it. Let me know if I should do more hair tutorials or styling or just anything hair related, because I never do them and it's a bit different, but I really enjoy making them. So yeah, I'm going to head off now and get on with my day. So yeah, see you guys soon.